of a cliff. Realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from heaven sent. With me tonight, I run away. We'll never forget the past, but what counts is our brand new start. Even if it hurts me or I get scared, just come.
Summer is around the corner, and definitely most of us are looking for a day cream that provides UVA protection and helps get rid of wrinkles, fine lines, dryness, and dehydration. So here I come yet again with a review video, and it's all about a day cream which I have been using and really impressed with. Now, all those people who are having sensitive skin need not to get disappointed, because this cream is for all the skin type, including sensitive skin. If you like the content and the effort that's been put into making of this video, then subscribe to my channel by clicking on subscribe button and hit the bell icon in order to get all the latest updates. Hi all, once again welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to talk about one of my favorite cream from Nivea brand. Actually I had a problem of dry flaky skin before, so when I was in UK I went to a boot store, and there I spoke to one of the expert, and I shared my problem of the dry flaky skin, and she suggested me to go with this cream. That's Nivea cream. It's Nivea Q10 Plus C Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream SPF 15, and sorry about that. Yeah, so she suggested me this one, and because I had already used many products for this problem and nothing had worked, so I was not sure that even this is gonna work, and but any which ways I wanted to get rid of it, and so I got this one for myself. Nivea cream is a deeply hydrating anti-aging day cream suitable for all the skin types, including sensitive skin. Enriched with Q10 and creatine, this formula fights wrinkles from within and visibly smooths the skin, all the while providing UVA protection and SPF 15. The appearance of wrinkles is noticeably reduced, leaving the skin with a refreshed, healthy, and youthful appearance. And trust me, soon after using this product I could feel the difference, and I was happy. My first impression of this cream was, I was really happy. But it was too early to decide that this is the product which I'm looking for. So I started using it, and it's almost over. I mean, I'm not lying. It's almost over. I've already ordered one more for myself. So I'm really happy with this product. The main ingredients of this cream is Q10 and creatine. Q10 has antioxidant and skin soothing effects and helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles and other signs of aging, whereas creatine helps decrease the appearance of wrinkles and increase the skin firmness. To be honest, the smell is not that great. The texture of this cream is very light, and It moisturizes your skin without making your face look oily and leaves your skin looking bright and hydrated. Use it as a day cream, or you can also use it with foundation cream on your everyday look. And how to use this cream? It's very simple. Massage Nivea Q10 Plus Day onto clean and dry skin until fully absorbed. Nivea Q10 Plus C Day Cream is formulated without mineral oil and parabens. Well, to know in detail the skin benefits of Q10, you can visit my blog erabliss.blogspot.com. So after I started using this product, I was sure that this is really good for the dry flaky skin. But one of my cousins, she's having very oily and acne. Yeah, excuse me about that. So one of my cousin, she's having a very oily and acne prone skin. She asked me to suggest her any good cream. When I read about this cream, it is for all the skin type, normal to dry to the sensitive skin. So I suggested her this one, and even she was so happy with this product. Even she has ordered one more, and mine is, I think this one is the third one, and hers she ordered her second pack. So one thing is for sure, that this cream is really good for the people who are having a dry skin, a normal skin, or very sensitive skin. So yeah, I'm really loving this product, and I'm gonna suggest this product to everyone. And this product has become now one of my favorite from the Nivea brand. That's all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Use this product and let me know that how it has worked on you. And if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And until we meet again, take care. Bye bye.
You make my heart spin, sorrow into silk. You make me sleep like a young child woman. You held me tight and I pushed you away. You turn my sorrow into silk. You turn my sorrow